Today I want to show you how to install Kohana framework on your local server. First of all, we need to download this Kohana framework. You can do it on this site, kohanaframework.org, and just click this download link, and it's done. Well, now I'll go to the downloads directory. Here it is. I'll unarchive it and just move this directory from here to my local server. Alright, now I can see it in my browser. It's here. Now I can open this directory and see what's there. Well, here we can see some green and some brown. Well, green means that everything's fine, brown means that it's not okay. So we have to change something, and it even shows us what's not fine. Here it says directory is not writable. So we have to make it writable, these logs and cache directories. So I'll go to my Finder, and here I'll open this folder with terminal. And as you can see, I'm in Kohana directory now. So I'll need to change permissions to this directories. For this, I'll make sudo change mode to application logs and application cache. Alright. Change mode to 777. Enter. My password. Enter. It's done. Now if I relaunch this page, I see that everything is fine. Well, it's not exactly fine, because when we write something, when Apache server writes something to these directories, to this cache directory, let's say, or in logs directory, it needs to be its owner. So we will change ownership of this folder as well. So I'll come back to my terminal and I'll make sudo change owner. I'll change it to everyone, to this group everyone, and press enter again. It's done. Well, now it's finished. It's green again and it's basically configured. Now we are ready to start developing using Kohana framework. But before we start, I want to move these two directories, system and modules, which is not shown here. I want to move it to another place. Well, here are these directories. They are modules and system. Why I wanna move them? First of all, if they are here in this directory, everybody can access them. So I don't want anybody to be able to see them, to view them through their browser. So the easiest thing is to move them outside of the document root directory. So I'll just move them from here to here, to the same level where our localhost directory. So they're on the same level now. But if I renew this page, we can see such an error that this system directory is not found by Kohana. Well, it's actually true. So I'll open my TextMate. Here is my Kohana directory, and I'll open index.php, and here's how this application looks for these two directories, modules and system. I'll write here relative path to these two directories, modules and system. Let's see. Now we're in index.php. To reach system directory, we have to go out of this directory to here, to this level, and then up here to this directory. So it's going to be this way: dot dot slash dot dot slash. Alright, and here the same: dot dot slash dot dot slash. Alright, I'll refresh the page, and everything is fine again. Now we can't reach the system and modules directories from the browser, and actually we don't need to. The last thing left here is just to delete all files we don't need anymore. So one of them is this install PHP. As you can see, it's recommended to rename it or delete. And actually we can remove these 3 files. We don't need them anymore. So we are ready to start developing our application.